Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a chocolate lava cake. So hope you guys enjoy and let's get on to the video. So what you will need for the chocolate lava cake is granite polymer clay, brown polymer clay, a dotting tool, liquid polymer clay, and a crafting knife. So first we're going to use our ball of granite polymer clay and make sure it's a round sphere, and then we're going to roll it out into a cylinder. Once you have your desired thickness, make sure you flatten the top and the bottom. Now we're going to start with our base. So we're going to use our ball of brown polymer clay and flatten it out and make sure it's round just so our lava part could go on top. So once you have a good thickness for your base, add your top onto it and press it down and make sure it sticks really well. And now we're going to cut the excess off with our crafting blade. Now take the excess of it away, and it might have become a little deformed, so make sure you round it. Now take it off and press it down to make it bigger. And now we'll get on to the frosting. Okay, so here I have some liquid clay and chalk pastel, so I'm going to use a dark brown chalk pastel and scrape some off and give this a nice brown color for our frosting. And to lighten it, I'm going to use this brick red color. And now with my dotting tool, I'm going to mix it together. And if you don't like your color, just add more brown or more brick red. And there's our frosting. So take your frosting and use your dotting tool to apply it to your cake. So first I'm going to add it to the top and then make a dripping effect on the sides. So there's the frosting on our cake. Okay guys, so here's the finished chocolate lava cake. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Bye!